modes of to the higher modes of happiness and spirituality. Therefore, we should feel that when we are studying or making Parayanam and Adhyanam of the Saraswati Sukta slowly, we are trying to imbibe the features of Devi Saraswati, and she is on in all, and that's why Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamaduchyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate, which means that Purnam is knowledge. So ultimately, as you keep sharing your knowledge to as much as possible, then you will be not at loss. ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಲಾಭ ನಷ್ಟ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು whatever little knowledge we have got, we will be concretizing that, making it more and more confirmed and expanding. Therefore, accordingly, the Devi to the Saraswati Sukta, which we are studying, has all that advantage that what we want is we are all born with number of assets and commitments, and whatever asset is there that should get awakened, and therefore we have the beautiful prayer Saraswati or entirely the Veda Suktas. And moreover, the Saraswati, as you know, she is called Brahmani. Brahmani means she is the power of Brahma. What is the power of Brahma? Brahma is Veda. Brahma is knowledge. Brahma is wisdom. Brahma is the light, and so on. The word Brahma has got many meanings. So it will be giving us scope for the clarity of mind and thought, and it will help you to accomplish everything. And the Saraswati is also called as a Bharati. See, Bharati Ramana. Bharati, because Bharati is a historical sense. You see, we are all flowing through in a long tradition. It is not a one-day makeup. We have been following, that's why we say, we make a prayer that Narayana Samarambham Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vandetam Guru Paramparam. So there is a parampara. Para is parampara, that is flow. That flow is Saraswati. Saraswati will not stop. Not only she is pure, she will make others also more pure. And therefore all nadis, that's what we are going to get that idea in Rigveda, that a river is purifying other rivers. And this river is getting purified because of other rivers. It is something like when you go to Kashi, a pilgrim center, not that you are getting punyam, because Kashi is a punya sthalam because of the presence and the devotion and dip in the Ganges by number of people who are all punyavans. Sadhu, Santa, Rishi, Maharshi, they, gods, everybody will go there. So they also share their punyam, and therefore Ganga Papanasini, Loka Papanivas Nasini, and all that, because nobody is independently strong. Everybody is strong because of dependence. 100 forces must help you to be stronger. In the same manner, this Bharati is that she is a flow. So Shankara is Gnanamurti, Nataraja, and from there all these traditions have come up, the Sampradayas. You know, Pradaya, Sampradaya. Pradaya means flow coming down, and Sampradaya means good. See, whatever is good and noble, long-standing, that only remains continuously. And that which is not very much strong or some corruptive, that will disappear unknowingly. Therefore, she is called as a Bharati. She is supporting the history of knowledge, flowing, flowing, flowing. And moreover, we have already seen Vajinivati also is another name for goddess, because Vaja, number of meanings are there, I told, but one of the meanings is strength of wisdom. You see, all people may be having wisdom with them, but there should be strength for that. there should be occasion for that to appropriately use it. And that itself is a punya. You see, that's why they say, Bhattabhana in Kadambari says, Praktana janma karma punya phalena iha jagati jantunam samskaraha. See, because of the past punya or karma phala and karma punya phala. So even though we have got punya, it must have the fructification, the maturity. You are making all fixed deposits. The punya comes only when the maturity strikes the deposit. Otherwise, you can't withdraw. Even if you withdraw, you lose something. Like that, praktana janma karma punya phalena iha jagati jantunam samskaraha, etc. Like that, that is against Goddess Saraswati. And moreover, all people have got intelligence. In Durga Saptasati, we have been told by Markandeya Maharshi that Sarvasya jantoho buddhirasti, jnanamasti. All jantu, ja means janma. All those who have taken janma, they have gnanam. But then gnanam has got to be purified, for which we have got to go to institutions, we have got to go education institutions, we go to gurus, we go to temples. Lot of activities going on, and that's again pavakatvam, which again Goddess Saraswati is the embodiment. And moreover, for all that, what is that which makes Goddess Saraswati stronger is the yagnam vastu dhiya vasu. So yagnam vastu, so the yagna, the prayatna, the studies, the attention, the devotion we make is making the our intelligence, which is dormant or otherwise, stronger and all that. So like that, the Saraswati Suktam is a very powerful suktam, and people select some mantras from the Saraswati Sukta and make explanation and keep quiet. But actually, we have not got a place where the entire Saraswati Sukta has been given meaning and explanation for our common understanding, because you are all experts in your own different professional excellences. But Vedic Purusha, Veda knowledge is only a side-by knowledge for you that will support your flow of your professional excellence. That's what I think. So, in this particular Saraswati Sukta, the mantras are not found at one place. They are all found in different mandalas of the Rig Veda. But for our understanding, we have got collectively one set. That set is like an anthology that has been prepared by the Ramakrishna Matham people and the editor of that Veda Mantraha. So he has spent a lot of time to select a number of mantras. So we have noted all through the time that Saraswati is our leader. Saraswati is our awakener. Saraswati is the power of intelligence which will make our intelligence also powerful. Otherwise, Vidya Vihinaha Pashuhu, when it is said, when that Vidya Saraswati is not there, then we cannot elevate ourselves. Therefore, we have been trying to know that Saraswati is water basically, is a flow basically, is a very sacred river, starting from the Parvata and going up to the ocean. Aparvatat, Parvatada, Saraswati. So Amma, she starts from the mountains, and again Vishnupadodbhava, all rivers are believed to be emanating from the feet of Vishnu. And for Vishnupadodbhava Ganga, Vishnupadodbhava Nadi. And therefore, that Saraswati also gets the name as Sindhu. Sindhu is the flow and is a Mahanadi there. And now let us go to the 16th mantra, and just I will try to revise before we go to the other ones. एकाची एकाची तत्सरस्वती नदीनां शुचिर्यति गिरिभ्य आसमुद्रात् राजश्चेतन्ति भुवनस्य भूरे घृतं पयोदुदुहेनाहुषाय. This is a mantra number 16, where where you see that for earth, for the worlds, Devi has given plenitude of wealth, plenitude of water and milk and something like that, and made lot of riches or wealth to flow in. And so she is starting from the Giribhyaha, from the mountains, Asamudrat. A in Sanskrit means up to. So what is the ending point of all the flow of the rivers? Is the ocean. And when they merge in ocean, they lose their identity of name. Nama Rupe Vihaya. See, the Nama Rupe Vihaya is the ultimate spiritual goal for us. We have to, we do now, as long as we breathe our life, we have name and we have form, we have some, all that, all these antecedents and all that are there. But when once we leave this, Nama and Rupa will go away, merge into, that's why we become Sukshma Sarira, Karana Sarira, and Stula Sarira. So these are all the three Sariras which we have got, but we are aware of the Stula Sarira, and we think that the Stula Sarira is permanent upon the world. No, it is not at all permanent. It is only a tool or a sadhana to make sadhya become sadhita. Therefore, here also duhana. And again, nadinam suchiryati. And she is a ekachi, one of the best Saraswati, best rivers. And she is making all the other rivers also purified. Therefore, nadinam suchiryati giribhyaha asamudrat. And the next mantra, and dutuhe, is an interesting verb, because in Sanskrit, the Sanskrit words are so powerful that depending upon the individual, his pratibha, vyutpatti, and daiva kripa, etc., you can always draw many meanings out of it. That's why one of the Alankarikas, rhetoricians, I think Bhamaha, so says that Ekaha Shabdaha Suprayuktaha Swarge Loke Kamadhuk Bhavati. If one word is appropriately employed in the composition, then it will yield you all that comfort which you can afford in the Swargaloka. Swarge Loke, what would it be? Kamadhuk Bhavati. Dhuk means provide, grasping. Whatever desire fulfillment you want to grasp or derive, and that you will be able to get it. So that's why here dutu he and payaha, ghrutam, rayaha. No, when we are available upon the earth, what are the things we need? We don't know. But our Vedas tell you, my dear friend, these are all the things that you should work for as long as you breathe our life. And then only, that's why Veda is an education. Veda is a Shastra. So Veda, Shastra, Veda, and when once the Shastra Jena is over, then you can go into the Vedanta, which is a philosophy where Shastra ends. Where science ends, philosophy begins. That you should know. What science cannot explain, philosophy will explain. Therefore, a religionist and a philosopher, both, if anybody is both, then he is a complete unit. Mere religionists are there, who like Purohits, who keep on conducting the sacrifices, rituals, ceremonies. And there are mere philosophers who will be always explaining and all that. They don't know anything about ritual. But both to combine, as Kalidasa tells it, puts it in Malavika Agnimitram, that's a very rare combination in this birth. So one should be a teacher at the same time a scholar. A scholar has no ability to teach, and a teacher cannot have depth of knowledge. And therefore, this kind of lacuna should not be there. And Goddess Saraswati is very powerful to bless both. So teaching and research. Actually, there's and service. See, 4 items are there. One is teaching, service, research, and administration. If these 4 things are top ranking, you will be considered as an accomplished person. Like that, here also, all these 4 accomplishable things are due to the grace of Saraswati, who has multifarious names and powers and executions to the benefit of seekers. Sharanam Prapadye, we have already come across in a mantra here that she is the Sharana. Sharanagati is an interesting principle that has been more and more emphasized in the later Vedantic literature and in Bhagavad Gita and all that. But the Sharanagati, that is the Tavahi Charanaveva Saranau. In Saundara Lahari, Shiva, the Sankaracharya tells us that what is the Sharanu for us? Only the Padambujam. And that the Pada is very sacred and very important because all the flow begins from the feet. Flow in a sense, mobility. If you don't have a feet, you are no mobile. So one cannot remain without mobile. Therefore, mobility is important. That's why even Vasishtha Maharshi says in Ramayana, when that cow was, Kamadhenu was asked by Vishwamitra, the emperor, hey, I give you thousands of cows for you in exchange. Please give me that cow. That was the bargain or barter which he wanted to make. But Vasishtha Maharshi said, no, I will not give the cow in spite because it is my pranam. He says, Havyam Kavyam Pranayatra cha me pravartate. Aya, please don't ask my cow because the 3 factors which are most important for human life. 1, Havyam. You should devote some time and some Naivedyam and some cooking in the name of the God, for the purpose of God. Kavyam, for your Pitru Devatas who have departed, because we are here because of the long flowing Pitru Devata Anugraha. Pitru Anugraha should be there. And therefore, that's what is called Kavyam. And the last one is Pranayatra. You should eat your food. You should not fast. You should not neglect your body health, etc. Therefore, Havyam, Kavyam, Pranayatra. All the 3 things are there. In the same manner, here also Rayaha, Ghritam, Payaha, Duduhe. So Goddess Saraswati gives you wealth, then nutrition, and the prosperity. Like that. Now I'm reading the 17th one. Savavrudhe Naryo Yoshana Suvrusha Shishurvrishabho Yagniyasu. Bhattavare, please recite one time.
Savavrudhe Nayo Yoshana Suvrusha Shishurvrishabho Yajniyasu.
Savajinam Bhagavadbhyo Dadhati Visataye Tanvam Mamrujita.
Savajinam Magavadbhyo Dadhati Visataye Tanvam Mamrujita.
So here also we have got that Bhagavadbhyaha Vajinam Bhagavadbhyaha Dadati. What is the power of this goddess Saraswati? Don't think Saraswati gives you only book knowledge. She will not make us a bookworm. No, she will make you really prosperous all round. That you should remember. You ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಜ್ಞಾನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಗೌರವ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡೋದು ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಮಹಾ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ. Even in Durga Saptasati, you see Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, and ultimately she is a Mahasaraswati, combining combining all forces and powers in her and becoming stronger in order to put out the toughest demons like Sumbha and Nisumbha and his retinue. So Sumbha Nisumbhavada she has to make the because of the Mahasaraswati Swarupam of Adishakti Swarupani. Like that, here also she will be doing that. And again, Yoshana Suvrusha Vrushabho Shishuho Yagniyasu and Yoshanasu Vrusha Narya Sabha Vrudhe Naryo. See, Vrudhe Naryo, Narya means the men. The people grow prosperous because of her, and all women also become very much shrestha because of that. Somebody has put it as the importance of the lady in the universe. Without lady, what is lady? How lady has been, or Yoshita has been responsible for the prosperity of men and all things in the world. Therefore, we always say Purandhir Yosha Jishnu Ratheshta. Man should be victorious and woman should be a Purandhi, a supporter of for all that activity. So Yagniyasu, and again Bhagavadbhya Vajinam Sadadati. So she will be providing the Vajinam. Vaja also means horses. You know, horse is Lakshmi Swarupam, and therefore in the morning, if you look at, if you have first darshan of either an elephant or a horse or a cow, etc., and among animals, it is a really sign of prosperity, and it's a good sakunam, good omen. See, right in the morning, what you should see first is also important, as is said in our tradition. You should not get up from your bed with anger, with some want, shouting. People are doing like that. No. When once your sleep is over, all the sleep which was deposited in our eyes will disappear. When you sleep sufficiently, when you open the eyes, look at your palm. That is Lakshmi, Saraswati, Lakshmi, Parvati, all are there. And then a mirror, and then a Devata, then like that, we have got that kind of good woman. The woman interest, women are really interesting signs of prosperity for us, and also a suggestion that we can check ourselves. So, Bhagavadbhya Vajinam Dadhati and Tanvam Vima Tanvam Amrujita. So Tanvam means growth and prosperity and all that. You know, there is no, I told you, there is no one meaning for all these words, but what I am meaning, I am giving. I am just trying to give the meaning as Paramatma tells me, and whatever little learning I have had. But probably other people, when you go to others' translation, not available, but still, if all you were to go, then you will find more and more meanings. Therefore, I want to say that what meaning I attribute or give to you is not final. Eke chasmatsreya gumso brahmana tesham toyasanena prasvasitavyam. Is a good guru. As you see in the Taittiriya Upanishad, I have taught something to you. It is A, but the knowledge goes up to Z. There are better scholars also, but you should always keep your mind and study time open in case you happen to meet them. You are bheti adre avrindanu gnana togondo, you should become prosperous. So that kind of liberality is there in your rich Vedic tradition. ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ಅಸೂಯೆ, ನಿರುತ್ಸಾಹ, ಕೋಪ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿ ಮಂತ್ರ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್, there is no anger at all. But if at all anger comes, anger has to be resorted. It must be something outside you. See, that's why, for example, Rama, you have seen one beautiful lecture on Rama as a leader. You have seen in your WhatsApp probably, if not. So he has made a point that Rama is a good leader. Who is a leader? he, whatever faculty and ability and managerial power he has got, he should manage himself, at the same time bring up others also to come up to that level and manage. The purpose resolved. Something like, in case of Rama, it was told, he made Sugriva also he was a leader. Sugriva was also brought up to the level of leadership, and then all administrative, etc. Even Anjaneya, all people. Similarly, Vishwamitra is also a big leader. Not only he attained highest power of due to his own personal leadership, and he has made Rama also able and eligible to fight with a tough Ramana, an enemy like Ravana, and quell him down. All that preparation Vishwamitra did, and he made him as a leader. So Vishwamitra leader, Rama leader, and that kind of leadership power is important. Here also, Tanvam Amrujita Sataye. So all that leadership is nothing but Gnanam, is nothing but Saraswati Kataksha. If Saraswati Kataksha is there, you will be wonderful project manager. You will be wonderfully growing in your things. That's why Saraswati is that. That's why we say that Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini. She is said to be Kamarupini. Kamarupini in the sense that she is in the form of science, engineering, medicine, and whatever faculties these days, cinematography, acting, singing, all this is Rupa. And all Rupas are Saraswati Rupas. And all these Rupas are the Kama Rupas of Goddess. Therefore, Matanvam Amrujita, Amma Tayi, Namanella, Yavaglu, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗಾಡೆಸ್ನ. ಸಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಟೆಡ್. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸಾಕು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರ. ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ಯೂ. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅಚೀವ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್. What you want to, when you achieved, you feel complacency and acknowledging. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. That acknowledgement is most important because of the, that's why in Mahanarayana Upanishad also, tamakratum pasyati vita shoko dhatu prasadatu mahimanamisham. So isham mahimanam Akratu tamakratum pasyati. Definitely a person who is wise and working for that will do it, will definitely see. But one more thing, additional plus. What is the plus is, that is called Daiva Prasada. So because of the prasada or consent and grace of the God, then you will be able to tamakratum pasyati. And nimma part enandre, what is that you have got to pick up and behave? Vita ಶೋಕಃ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಚಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Such type of people are plenty, but you should try to avoid. You see, the serials which many people are watching, there is nothing to learn from them. Is there anything learning? I don't think so. But already hopeless we are made more hopeless or worse. Anyway, no, you should not give scope for that. Therefore, tanvam ma tanvam vimrujita. So amma tayi namanella prosperous side ಮಾಡಿ. And utasya naha saraswati jushano upasravatu subhaga yagne asmin. ಹೇಳಿ ಬಾಬು ಭಟ್ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿ. ಉತಸ್ಯ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ನಹ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಜುಷಾಣೋಪಸ್ರವತು
ಜುಷಾಣೋವಶ್ರವತ್ ಸುಭಗಾ
ಯಜ್ಞೇ ಅಸ್ಮಿನ್.
ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಜುಷಾಣೋಪಶ್ರವತ್ ಸುಭಗಾ ಯಜ್ಞೇ ಅಸ್ಮಿನ್.
Very good. You corrected yourself. I was about to correct you because ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, so that you will not skip the sense.
ಸರಿ ಗುರುಗಳೇ.
You will not get sin. Because ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ದೋಷ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣ ದೋಷ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ವಿ ಶುಡ್, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಲ್ವಾ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಭಯಾದತಃ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಕ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಭಯಾದತಃ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಉಭಯ ಅಂತ ಶಬ್ದ ಊಕಾರ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಉಭಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ರೋಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲ್ಲು ಇದ್ದ ಜಂತುಗಳು ಅಂತ. ಈ ಜಂತುಗಳನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ರೋ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರೋ ಜಂತುಗಳು ಬೇರೆ, ಅಂಡ್ 2 ನಮ್ಮ ತರಹ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಮೇಲೇನು ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಇರೋ ಜಂತುಗಳು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಬೇರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಜಂತು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವಿಧವಾದ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಗಳಿದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಉಭಯಾದತಃ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ನಾವು ಸುಷುಪ್ತ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಭಯದಿಂದ ಯಾರು ಏನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಭಯದಿಂದ ಇನ್ನು ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. therefore ಉಭಯಾದತಃ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಜುಷಾಣೋ ಉಪಸ್ರವತು ಸುಭಗಾ ಯಜ್ಞೆ ಅಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಮಿತಗ್ನುಭಿಃ ನಮಸ್ಯೈ ಮಿತಗ್ನುಭಿರ್ನಮಸ್ಯೈರ್ಯಾನಾರಾಯ ಯುಜಾಚಿದುತ್ತರಾ ಸಖಿಭ್ಯಃ. ಹೇಳಿ.
ಮಿತಜ್ಞಭಿರ್ನಮಸ್ಮೈ ನಮಸ್ಯೈನೋ ನಮಸ್ಮೈನೋ
ನಮಸ್ಯೈ
ನಮಸ್ಯೈ ಮಿತಜ್ಞಭಿರ್ನಮಸ್ಯೈ ಪ್ರಿಯಾನಾರಾಯ ಯುಜಾ ಚಿದುತ್ತರಾ ಸಖಿಭ್ಯಃ.
ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್.
Yeah.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಜನರು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸೆನ್ಸು ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ದೇವಿ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಅದರಿಂದ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗಾಡ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಹಿ ನೋಸ್, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೇಜ್ ಅಸ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸೆಡ್ ವಿಶ್ವಾನಿ ದೇವ ವಯುನಾನಿ ವಿದ್ವಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಗ್ನಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾನಿ ವಯುನಾನಿ ವೇದ. ವಯುನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೀಸು, ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರು, ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಗಾಡ್ ನೋಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಶುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್, and what he gives us we should be contented. If at all you want more, you can again do petition. ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ ವ್ರತ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So we don't know, all comes in installment basis. Here also mitagnubihi namasyai. So mitagnubihi, all are having ಜ್ಞಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿತಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಮಿತಜ್ಞಾನ. You understand? ಅಮಿತಜ್ಞಾನ means immense knowledge. Mitagnana andre necessary knowledge. However much knowledge, that much only. But actually, whatever little knowledge we have got, we have to show improvement on that. If we know A, we should also learn B. ಅದರಿಂದ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಕಲಿಯೋರ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಶಬ್ದ ಬಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಇಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು. ಅಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಪುಂಲಿಂಗೋ ರಾಮ ಶಬ್ದ, ಅದನ್ನ ಪಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಪುಂಲಿಂಗೋ ಹರಿ ಶಬ್ದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ, ಮಿತಜ್ಞು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್, ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೂ ಮಚ್. ಸೊ ಅವರ್ we want to cover as much knowledge as possible and digest it slowly. Therefore Utasyanah Saraswati Jushano Upasravatu. Who is Sarasnaha for us? Uta and Sya Saras Jushana accepting Upasravatu. So she is flowing forth and she is supporting us because Subhaga, she is a fortunate lady, fortunate woman. She is a noble woman. So Subhaga means nobility. That means no jealous, no anger, no criticism, pleasant appearance, pleasant speech. That pleasant personality, people talk it. So Ramavatu, Ramavat Vartitavyam Naravanavatu. That is, Rama is always pleasant. He is not disturbed. He will not disturb others. Avaru helidralva, see, when his wife was kidnapped or abducted, he never thought of Bharata or anybody to bring army to fight with Ravanasura. He just, at the suggestion of Kabandha, Rakshasa who became a Gandharva, He said, you go and make friendship with Monkey King, Sugriva, and all monkeys, they will help you to get Sita back, like that, but not your Bharata or any other king or any human Sainyam. So you can imagine that kind, but though he's a king and all that, when he was in a forest, he behaved just like an ordinary fellow. Be a Roman when you are in Rome. Another English proverb, gottidella. So if you are like Roman, and then you have no problems. Whatever is available in that respective land, you try to use it up, get used to that. Then you will have no problem. That's why mitagnuho and as yagne asmin subhaga. And another point is, whatever offerings we are making in the yagna, they are all Saraswati Kataksha. Because right from the creation or manufacture or obtaining or collecting, offering, and then reaching the gods, all through the time there should be flow. Another point you must observe, every offering that you make into the Yagna Vedi is being mixed with the ghee. So abhikaroti, namge ಊಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಡಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅಭಿಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರ ಪತ್ತೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಆಹುತಿಗೂ ತುಪ್ಪ ಸೇರ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಆಹುತಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, so that you cannot distinguish after both. That's why sarva ahuti huta bhaveyu anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. May all the ahutis which I offered become completely accepted by the gods, which means that's why when once your homa is good, there won't be any smoke at all. Peaceful ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ವೇದಿ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ when applications ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ, when homa or puja or anything like is over, such a pleasantness you find in the Vedi, because all the ahutis have been accepted. Not even a small column of smoke comes up at the end. So that's why for that who is called Saraswati is the Asmin Yagne Subhaga Upasravatu. Amma Subhaga. Su means Sukham. Sushtu, Sutaram. Bha is Kanti. Kanti, brilliance. Bha is prosperity. So then Ga is movement. So the prosperity is mobile. As and how we grow bigger and bigger in responsibility, in age, and in several factors, because we cannot remain in the cradle, we have to go to grave. Therefore, English people say cradle to grave. The entire life journey is being put sandwiched between the cradle and grave. So like that, this Saraswati is like that. And Riya Naraya Yujajiduttara Sakibhyaha. So Raya, Riyana. So she is giving wealth, necessary dhanam. So necessary wealth to perform the sacrifice. That's why for all the yagna sekarana, I mean this whatever yagna sambharas to collect, you have got to get all that support. Therefore, Riyana Subhaga Yagne Asmin and Raya Yuja. Raya Yuja means we should be always clubbed or joined with happiness and prosperity. ಯಜ್ಞ ಪೂಜಾ ಉಪಕಾರ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ದಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ದಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ. ಯದ್ದತ್ತಂ ಯತ್ ಹುತಂ ತತ್ ತಥೈವ ಭವತಿ. ಈಸ್ ಭಾಸ ಮಹಾಕವಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವೋ, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೋಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವೋ ಅದು ಹಂಗೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯು ವೆನ್ ನೀಡ್ ಅರೈಸಸ್. So they don't go waste. They're waiting. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಪುಣ್ಯ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಖಂಡಿತ ಕಾಪಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವಸರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಸಖಿಭ್ಯ ಉತ್ತರಾಯುಜಾಚಿತ್. ಸೊ ಯುಜಾಚಿತ್ ಉತ್ತರ ಸಖಿಭ್ಯ. ಸಖಿಭ್ಯ means in the society, in the people, among people, because man is gregarious. Man lives in groups. He cannot be alone. He is always dependent upon so many things. And moreover, another Alankarika says that nakopi atmanaha skandham arohati kwachidapi. Nobody can climb on his own shoulders. He has to always climb others, can always climb other shoulders. Means dependence is there. So atmanaha skandham na arohati. Nobody will, like that. Here also we get that kind of sociability, upholdability, and prosperity and spirituality. And for that also, so you can see that the goddess Saraswati is responsible to give you all-round support, enthusiasm, and prosperity. Therefore, Sarva Shukla Saraswati. Later on, Saraswati Suktagal ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ultimately what you say that Sarva Shukla Saraswati, whatever that is related to Saraswati is absolutely pure, white, speck free, no speckless otherwise. So that's why she is, so those people who have the Saraswati Kataksha, they have pure mind. They have always happiness on the other hand. Now Sudha idareno, ima juhvana yushmada. Is there Sudha in that? No. Anyway, somebody. Ima juhvana yushmada namobhihi heli.
ಇಮಾಜುಹ್ವಾನ ಯುಷ್ಮದ ನಮೋಭಿಃ. ಇಮಾಜುಹ್ವಾನ ಯುಷ್ಮದ ನಮೋಭಿಃ.
ಪ್ರತಿಸ್ತೋಮಂ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಜುಷಸ್ವ.
ಪ್ರತಿಸ್ತೋಮಂ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಜುಷಸ್ವ.
Always there is happiness.
ಹೇಳಿ. What is that you want to tell? Anyway, continue please. Tava sharman priyatame.
Tava sharman priyatame. Tava sharman priyatame.
Dadhana upastheyama.
Dadhana upastheyama. Dadhana upastheyama.
Sharanam navruksham.
Sharanam navruksham. Sharanam navruksham.
See, beautiful sloka. How do you please her? All gods could be pleased with namaskaras. See, namo bhihi yushmadha. Ima namo bhihi juhvana stomam saraswati pratijushasva. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ. ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರನು ಅಮ್ಮ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಹೆಸರಿಂದ ಕೂಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಓ, ನಾನು ಸರಸ್ವತಿ, ನನ್ನ of all the names, Saraswati is a very powerful name because there is no stability. She has got to go look after everybody one by one. So Saraswati is a common goddess to all classes of people, indifferent to color, caste, country, region, etc. That's what I wonder, having come here and seen the scholars from Japan, Germany, China, and Africa and all that. ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಮಾತ್ರ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪಂಡಿತರು ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲ, there are better knowable, knowledgeable and accommodable persons belonging to other caste, other countries and all that. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ the knowledge is common, but her bhaktas are also common. But what is required is the devotion and her kataksha. So like that here, Stomam Saraswati Jushasva. So Amma Saraswati Devi, this kind of praise and prayer which I am doing, and please accept and bless me. And moreover, Yushmada Stomam. See, this Stoma, this Stuti is belonging to you. And what belonging to you, when I praise those words, you become pleased. It is just like in Lalita Sahasranamam, Parvati Amma, Lalita Parameswari called the Vagdevis, asked them to compose Sahasranama Stotra. And they did compose, but which was not revealed to Agastya Maharshi, since for a long time kept Rahasya Namani. Lalita Rahasya Sahasranama Stotram. And in Vishnu Sahasranama also, Yani Namani Gaunani Vikhyatani Mahatmana Rishabhihi Parigitani Tani Vachye. So Gaunani Vikhyatani Rahasyani. So that way we understand here Namo Yushmada Stomam. So we were the kind of praise that we have got to make that pleases you quickly. Namge see Sadhya Prasadini Viswasakshini is Lalita Sahasranamam. Sadhya Prasadini Ammavaru ఒక్కసారి తలుచుకుంటే ఖండితంగా మనల్ని కాపాడుతుంది. She has been protecting us, she is protecting us, she will protect us, because Adishakti Swarupini. Because of Devi only, all activities are projected on the project, and therefore gods, men, everything in nature are all projectiles, projected from a common point of projection, that is Shakti Swarupini Amma. And when once the activity on the circumference of the universe or land is over, we have to sink back to the point of projection. That is called moksha. When you sink back to the point of projection, the work assigned to you is done for, and therefore we retire. So the retirement is to rest. Like that, here we are saying that Tava Namo Tava Tava Stomam, and we are reciting what is that? Namo Bhihi. This namaskara is a common prayer pleasing all gods. In Rudram, you must have come across beautiful statement. I wish you should go through there. It says, say, Namo Bhihi, so Yachvamahe, so Manasaya Rudram, Namo Bhihi. Please recapitulate your knowledge on Rudram. What you are doing? Yachvamahe. We all try to worship Rudra. Rudra agli, Saraswati agli, ಯಾವ ದೇವತಾ ಆಗಲಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಯಚ್ವ, ಯಜ್ಞದಿಂದ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಚ್ವಾಮಹೇ ವೈ ಸೌ ಮನಸಾಯ. ನೀವು ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮನಸ್ಸು ಸುಖವಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸುಖ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವ ಕೆಲಸಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಳು. You are not at all happy at those works which you do, which will not give you peace and satisfaction. Therefore, Sukha, Saumanasa means Sumanas, Sukham Manaha. Saumanaha means the experience, the Anubhava. See, that's why 7 Purandaradasa also says, Anubhavada Adage Madaro. In one of his Kirtanas, Anubhavada Adage Madbeku ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಅಡುಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಅಡುಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅನುಭವವೇ ಅಡುಗೆ. ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ರುಚಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಡುಗೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅನುಭವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಪುರಂದರದಾಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಸಿ ಆಲ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಲೈಕ್, ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆ ವೇದಿಕ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ದೆಮ್. Something like your TV, which has got 360 channels, but you have got one screen, one remote, and one person holding that remote. So whatever that person presses the button, only that channel is operating. Like that, that is to say, that's what is called Anubhava. So, Stomam Saraswati, and innondu Tava Sharman Dadhana. Amma, who is this lady? Priyatame. Priyatama. Tama is the superlative degree in Sanskrit. There are only 2 degrees of comparison in Sanskrit. One is Tara and Tama, positive, negative, positive and superlative or positive. But in English, we have got 3 degrees of comparison. They have that is, but in Samskrita, if you leave Bangalore airport, you should arrive only in London, nowhere. Or if you leave one place, you should stop at only other. Actually, for example, the Grand Trunk Express will not stop until it runs for 2 hours because it has to cover a lot of distance in limited time. 2 hours run adrene adakke stop barodu. So like that, here also we have got that kind of speed in that. So Priyatame, she is best among all those who are pleased with your kind of worship. Because whatever little or more you do it, that must give trupti to the goddess, trupti to the god. That's why we are very careful to remind Goddess Lakshmi in Sri Suktam, Truptam Tarpayantim Padme Sthitam. ಆ 3 ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ, she is basically Trupta. She doesn't want anything for herself. No more desire, free from all that, but always complacent, happy, smiling, ready to help also, like Rama. That's why Truptam. But what is her work? She is not jobless. What is her job? Tarpayanti. ಯಾರು ಏನೇನು ಬೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. So tarpana means make them happy, make them satisfied, contented and all that. And where is she? She is not at all, she is stable. You need not run after her. She is stable. Padme sthita. The word sthita tells you that she is stable, sitting, available to any and everybody, Tom, Dick, Harry and Mary. Only thing is we have to look to that. That's why sthita, where she is sitting, Padma. Padma is the lotus, highly attractive, fragrant flower. Only one flower only comes up. And so many petals are there, and so on. So here also, Goddess Saraswati is Priyatame. And again, the word Priyatame for Saraswati is employed second time and more times in this sukta that you will catch. So Priyatame, Amma Saraswati, yen ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ? ಶರ್ಮ ದಧಾನ. ಶರ್ಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ happiness, ಸಂತೋಷ. Sham is absolute peace, beyond which you are not thinking to do anything. You are complacent totally. So that's why Sharma. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣರಿಗೆ ಶರ್ಮರು ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಈ ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯರಿಗೆ ವರ್ಮರು ಅಂತಾರೆ, ವೈಶ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠಿಗಳು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ಮೂರು ಯಾರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶೂದ್ರರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮೈಂಡೆಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಸೊ ದಿ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶರ್ಮರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ತಾವು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋರು ಶರ್ಮರು, ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣರು, ಪುರೋಹಿತರು, ವೇದಾಧ್ಯರು, ಶ್ರೋತ್ರಿಯರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ರಾಮ ಶರ್ಮ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಶರ್ಮ, ಆನಂದ ಶರ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಈ ವರ್ಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ವರ್ಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಈ ಆರ್ಮರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ, ಜನರಿಗೆ ಸುಖವನ್ನು, ರಕ್ಷಣೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋರು ವರ್ಮರು. ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ ದೂರ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 4-5 miles or 10 miles ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಯು ಆರ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸುಖ. ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಂದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ, ಅವನು ಸಂಧ್ಯಾವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಅವನು ಅಮೆರಿಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ಬಂದಿದ್ದ. ಅವನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ, ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯ? ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನಾನು ಅಮೆರಿಕಾಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ಗೇನ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಮನಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇದೆ, ಹೋಗಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ದಿ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಫೋರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ಶರ್ಮ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ದಧಾನ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್. ದಧಾನ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್. She will not give once and stop. No, however many times you ask, however many times you submit your petition, she will just grant it. And again, Sharanam upastheyama. So, but our duty is we should constantly be in searching, in submitting our wants to her, in submitting our prayers to her. We should be devoted. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಉಪಸ್ಥೇಯಾಮ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಬ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ, ಉಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹತ್ರ, ಸಮೀಪದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಮೀಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥನು ನಿಮ್ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವರ ಪಾದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯು ಮೇ ಬಿ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್, ಎನಿವೇರ್, ವೇರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಲೊಕೇಟೆಡ್, ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್, but your mind is important. If your mind is with you may not have got to Kedarnath, you may not have seen the Kedarnath linga, but if at all you see some video and all that, but when it's printed in your head that Kedarnatha is very much present. You see, Kedarnath lingam, Jyotirlingam is very much special. Only the hind part of the bull, that was Shiva, who appeared to Pandavas, is there in Kedarnath. That's why it is unlike any other linga available in the world. And the next part, the front part, fourth part of the bull, Shiva, that part is there in Pashupatinath temple, Nepal, Kathmandu. So Hage, that was a test given to Pandavas and they were able to successful accordingly. Anyway, so here, Upastheyama Sharanam, how like Navruksham. You know, a tree will be there only. A mavina gira alle irutte. ವರ್ಷ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ಮಾವಿನಕಾಯಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಉಪಸ್ಥೇಯಾಮ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವೇ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಕಾಯಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಗ್ರಾಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡಿಸೈರ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಹರ್, ಟು ಸೀಕ್ ಹರ್ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ, spiritually. So your body may not go there, but at least Amma Nanen Mali, you cannot go to all pilgrim centers and have darshan of all devatas, but your mind is there. So even Anjaneya also in Sundarakanda says that when I was searching for Sita in the bed chambers of Ravana, all through the time my mind was on Sita. I was not at all disturbed looking at the odd postures of the women sleeping there in the chambers. So my manaha susamsthitam. So he thinks that he is not a sinner in that way. So like that, upastheyama sharanam navruksham. Helima ayamute saraswati vasishto. Omkarappa avare heli bro. Heli bab. Nadik heli Manju. Ayamute saraswati vasishto.
Ayamute saraswate vasishto. Ayamute saraswate vasishto.
Vansala heli saku. Dvaravrutasya subhage vyavaha.
Dvaravrutasya subhage vyavaha.
Vardha shubhre stuvate rasivajan.
Vardha shubhre stuvate rasivajan.
Yuyam pata swastibhis sadanaha.
Yuyam pata swastibhis sadanaha.
So ಈ ಮಂತ್ರ ವಸಿಷ್ಠ ಮಂಡಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 7th mandala of the Rigveda is called Vasishtha Mandala. 3rd mandala of Rigveda, for example, also is called Vishwamitra Mandala. So there are Veda Rushi Mandalas ಅಂತ 7 ಮಂಡಲಗಳು ಋಗ್ವೇದದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಋಷಿಗಳ ಪರಂಪರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಿವೀಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಬಿಲೀಫ್. Therefore ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಸಿಷ್ಠ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಯೂಯಂಪಾತ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿಭಿ ಸದಾನಃ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ವಸಿಷ್ಠ ಈ ಯೂಯಂಪಾತ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿಭಿ ಸದಾನಃ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 7th ಮಂಡಲ ವಸಿಷ್ಠ ದೇವನ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಯ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದಿಂದ, ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯದಿಂದ, ಆನಂದದಿಂದ, ಶಾಂತಿದಿಂದ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ If man were to be happy, there is not one condition only. There should be all-round happiness. That all-round happiness we have to procure. For that, Saraswati is that. First ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾವಹ, ವಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆವಹ. I hope you are taking some notes. Don't depend upon the recording only and also listening to the video, but that is also a support. But when you make some personal notes, as our Satyasri told, notes itkonತೀವಿ ಸಾರ್ ಅಂತ, ಏನು ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಸೂಕ್ತ, then you see that ವ್ಯಾವಹ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಹ means protection, ರಕ್ಷಣೆ, ಆಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್. ವ್ಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಶೇಷೇಣ ಆವಹ. ನೋಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಶತ್ರುವಿನ ಮಗನನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಷ್ಣುಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಶತ್ರುವಿನ ಮಗ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ? ಭಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣನ ಶತ್ರು ಮಗ.
ನಾರಾಯಣನ ಶತ್ರು ಯಾರು?
ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ ಗುರುಗಳೇ, ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ ಗುರುಗಳೇ, ಭಕ್ತ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ.
ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸಿ, ನಾರಾಯಣನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವೋರನ್ ಎನಿಮಿ ವಾಸ್ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಕಶಿಪು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಾಕ್ಷ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಅವನು ಭೂಮಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭೂದೇವತಾ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ವೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಷ್ಣು, ಭೂದೇವಿ ಶ್ರೀದೇವಿ. ಸೊ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನುಭವ ಆಗಿದೆ ರಾಮನಿಗೆ. ರಾಮ ಅವತಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವರಾಹ ಅವತಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಭೂದೇವಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಾಕ್ಷ. ಆ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ ಕೇಸು ವಿಸಿಬಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಇವನು ಹಿರಣ್ಯಕಶಿಪು ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎನಿಮಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಸಂಹಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಕೋಪ. ಸೊ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಸಂಹಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಇವನು ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಪಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ನಾರಾಯಣನ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಸ್ವೋರನ್ ಎನಿಮಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ he could anytime he went to Vaikuntham, no board ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಔಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡೇ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಕಶಿಪು ಔಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡೋದು ಬರೋದು. ಇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇರೋದು ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ ನಾನು ಕೈಲಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ ತೋರಿಸು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ನಿನ್ನ ಮೆನಿ ಅವಾಗ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದನ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಶತ್ರುವಿನ ಮಗನನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಶತ್ರು ಮಗನನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹಿಂಸೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಹೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್, ಬಟ್ ನೋ ಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನರಸಿಂಹಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಔಟ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ he says ವಿಶೇಷೇಣ ವ್ಯಾವಹ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಭ್ರೇ ವರ್ಧಾಸ್ತುವತೆ. ಈ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ತುಂಬಾ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ದೇವಿಯ ಕಟಾಕ್ಷ ಹೊಂದಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸ್ತೋತ್ರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪೂಜಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಪೂಜಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು. ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಓದಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದು. ಆಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕನೇ ಓದಿದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಸ್ತುವತೆ ವರ್ಧ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪರಸ್, ಬಿ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪರಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸುಭಗೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಆ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪರಿಟಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರಿಗೆ ರಾಸಿ ವಾಜಾನ್. ರಾಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಿವ್, ಕೊಡೋದು. Ra to give wealth or fulfillment of your wants. So anything that you ask, Vaja andre wisdom, Vaja andre wealth, Vaja andre knowledge. Oh, number of meanings are there. That's why we have got Vajapeya Yagna. We have got Rajasuya and Vajapeya. Rajasuya andre by performing Rajasuya he becomes a Maharaja. But Vajapeya Yagna is common to Brahmins and Kshatriyas. If a king performs Vajapeya, he becomes a Maharaja. And if a Brahmin performs a Vajapeya, he becomes a Mahabrahmana. So Mahabrahman ragbeku. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಆ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣತ್ವ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಇನ್ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಜಾನ್ ರಾಸಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮಂತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಸಿಷ್ಠ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ದ್ವಾರ ಮಮ ಉಪಾತ್ತ ಸಮಸ್ತ ದುರಿತ ಕ್ಷಯದ್ವಾರ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೊಬ್ಬ ಗುರುಗಳು ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಗುರುಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಮಂತ್ರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅನುಷ್ಠಾನ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಬಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಂತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಫಲ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಪರಮಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಕಂಚಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಮಂತ್ರ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮೋಪದೇಶ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಪತ್ರಿಕಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮೋಪದೇಶ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ರ. ಆ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ರವನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪಾಂಪಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲೈಫ್ ಮಂತ್ರ. ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ಮೇಲ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ 34 years ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣು, ನಾನು ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಉಪಾಸನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಉಪನಯನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೇದಾಧ್ಯಯನ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದಾಧ್ಯಯನ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪನಯನ ಮಾಡೋದೇನಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನೀವು ಶಂಕರ ಮಠಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಸಿಷ್ಠೋದ್ವಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುರುಗಳ ದ್ವಾರ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಉಪಾಸನ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಹರ್ಷಿಗಳ ಹೆಸರುಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಸಿಷ್ಠ, ಅತ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಶ್ಯಪ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿಯನ್ನು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ನೀವು ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೋರ್ಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮನನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಂತ್ರ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಮನ್ಮ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಮಂತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನ್ಮ. ಮಂತ್ರ ಮನ್ಮ ಶಬ್ದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿಯ ಮಹಿಮೆ, ಸರಸ್ವತಿಯ ಕರುಣೆ, ಸರಸ್ವತಿಯ ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಸರಸ್ವತಿಯ ಲಾಭಗಳು ಒಂದೊಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಾರಿ, ಅದರಿಂದ I think I can stop here. Taken more time to yours, and we'll continue next. Om Swasti Sahana Bhavatu.
सहनौ भुनक्तु सह
सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै